So driving along the road, me and Boof seen this beautiful gem precariously discarded out with the trash. In my mind, I looked at that and went, wow, that'd make a great garage table. Also, my wife looked at it and in her mind said, that'd make a great table for inside the house. You're going to have to watch to the end to see which one of us won. But first things first, in both of our plans, we had to disassemble it and clean it up. Now, it was assembled with nails, which took quite a bit longer than I would have liked in the dismantling process, but we got it all done. And then we wanted to get it sanded down. The top and the bottom really was stained really bad. So I pulled out the old sander, put on a heavy grit, and started cleaning that rough yuck off the top of it. And I must admit, it made a world of difference. Next step was to fill in all of the nail holes with some wood putty, and that also took some time. I have called in reinforcements. The brains of the operation, actually. I'm just the brawn.
I'm the beauty and the brains, if we're being honest.
We're gonna see what we can do by getting this thing put together.
What do we do with these edges?
I was thinking we'd route her.
You want to reroute her?
I was thinking so.
Might get rid of that little thing there. And it's a solid piece of wood.
So what you're looking at is the top that we've rounded out, top and bottom. And the bottom one is the one we haven't rounded. You'll notice this one has more of a square boxed edge. This one's more rounded, a little bit more shapely. We're going to shine that up a little bit with the sander, but kind of give you a difference between the two. What you doing?
I'm throwing some wood conditioner on this wood to see if it's something we can salvage or use with a stain. But I kind of wanted to see what it looked like and kind of detail that it has. It's old, so it's been in somebody's shop. Somebody's been using it. It's got some definite flaws to it, but I think I might like it. Like I told Lee, if we don't like it, it can be a garage table, but if we do like it, then we have a piece that we found on the side of the road. 923 stain options later. My wife doesn't like the rustic. I still want to see the potential in this piece, even though she does not like the stain option, and to be honest, I didn't either. So we're going to assemble, and we're going to paint this instead.
So what you see Boof doing here is putting in our crack hose. These are the sideboard hose that allow us to hide our screws.
Now, because we're painting the guy, we can actually just screw these right into the side. No problems. I just need screws and my wife. I always screw better with my wife. She has no vision. I swear she has no vision. Done with this.
I have enough vision to get the camera off her and put it back on me. How's that for vision?
And now they've lost their vision.
Damn her. We pre-drilled all of our hose just to make sure there was no issues with the wood splintering. I don't believe that it actually would have splintered, but it's always better to be safe than sorry, because once you split it, you can't unsplit it. This is me being an excellent helper to my wife that's waylaid my plans.
Perfect.
It's on a rug.
Perfect. You got a piece of cardboard?
No.
She's straight now. She real straight now.
I'm real straight now.
No, she not. But
I'm
she is.
straight as they come now.
She must be speaking for the tape.
Boof's painting, you just can't see it. We know you're dying to see the color.
You can't see. You cannot see what it is. I shall not tell you. But it's gorgeous. It's gonna take a couple of coats on that there. But it looks good, looks good. Guys, the piece that my beautiful wife was gonna use for a garage table, I might have other plans. So, for now it'll sit here, but we are in the middle of yet another transformation, and I think this is gonna go perfectly with it. My wife just doesn't know about it yet, so shh. Between you and me, I have another honey-do list project. It's a small thing, just a small thing. It'll be fine. But I must say, I absolutely love how this turned out. The white top was a really good addition. A little bit of matte poly on the top, and it's fantastic. The navy blue, if you hadn't noticed, I'm kind of on a blue and gold kick lately, so I'm really looking forward to the new pieces in the room, and hopefully you'll stick around and see what we do next. We'll catch you guys next time when who knows what we'll be getting into. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the little bell button. My wife says that's a good thing, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye! So, she's loudly playing that as I said. Clank. All right, so these go together. Wait, can I get that on film? This thing. Put the pegs in the hole. Just saying. She just wants her damn fan back on, folks. That's all her problem is. She wants her damn fan back on. Glistening. And she's having a fit, little whiny baby here, because she hasn't got her fan on. I'm turning the fan on. Ah, bliss. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. He's so pretty. He's so nice. It looks so good. Hey.